news where JSW Steel's profit in the fourth quarter has jumped almost threefold. The company, in fact, managed to keep a tight leash on costs, which in turn seems to help melt margins as well. In fact, let's take it across to an exclusive chat that our colleague Neha Botra had with joint MD and Group CFO of the company, Seshagiri Rao. He, in fact, expects production and sales volumes to improve by something like 25% in this fiscal alone.
So we have given our guidance for FY17 at 25% growth. So production side will be doing 15.75 million ton and the sales side will be doing 15 million ton. So 25% growth in production volume and 24% growth in the sales volume.
All right, sir. Also, as far as outlook on the pricing front is concerned, could you run us through what could be the main highlights during the quarter, and also what bearing do you think this will have on the margins going forward?
Internationally, because of weak steel demand, prices fell to as low as $270 per ton in the month of January 2016. In the meantime, Government of India introduced MIP on 5th February 2016. And in the meantime, because of the stimulus measures which are taken by China, so there is a revival in the steel market. The steel prices went up by 31st March by more than $100, which translates to 37% increase over January prices.
What is the total level of debt you have on your books, and what is the debt equity ratio that you currently have, and what is the ratio that you aspire to have, the ratio that you are comfortable with?
Our net debt as on 31st of March 2016 was 38,500 crores. The debt equity and the debt to EBITDA levels were not at the desired levels because our EBITDA has come down in FY 2016, even though our overall debt has not gone up. So we are working on in this year to see that these debt levels will come down.
Also, what incremental value do you hope to bring onto your balance sheet once you acquire the UK Tata Steel's UK Steel business? What is the idea behind the whole concept? What is it that you really want to bring to the balance sheet, and what do you think could be advantages for JSW Steel via the acquisition of these assets?
As far as JSW Steel is concerned, it always looks for various opportunities. So it is only an exploratory thing which the company has been doing. Unless it is value accretive and there are synergies where we are very confident of turning it around, and it is in the interest of the shareholders, I don't think we will take any step that is not good for the company in the long term.
Do you see any synergies at present that you want to tap into, since you are exploring an acquisition? So is this something you have examined? Do you see possible synergies arising from such an acquisition?
No, it is only exploratory, as I mentioned to you. Unless we complete our due diligence, it is very difficult to comment about whether any synergies are there or not there. It makes sense, it doesn't make sense. So we are in that stage today, so we will not be able to comment anything on that right now.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.